PadPak has two worlds combined. The most valuable features of previous machines, now all combined in one, the PadPak Guardian. Due to its compact size and the use of only sustainable materials, it offers you excellent product protection, a user-friendly operation, and reduced packaging operation costs. PadPak designed two types of machines, the floor stand for either standalone use and the table stand for use next to a working table. The compact footprint, with reduced size and weight, means the PadPak Guardian uses your warehouse space more efficiently. Its ergonomic design ensures easy maneuverability. A detachable 7-inch touchscreen can be placed on several positions on the machine, and the multiple working angles which make the machine easy and quick to operate. PadPak Guardian simplifies everything, combining multiple benefits in one machine. In case of maintenance, the 6 individual modules can be easily removed, assembled, or replaced. This ensures easier and cost-effective servicing with less converter downtime. A sustainable and effective alternative to plastics is the broad range of different paper types. These paper types with proven high cushioning values, protecting your products properly, whatever the application. The PadPak Guardian loads paper in 20 to 30 seconds, which gives you major gains in production time and what results in lower costs. The PadPak Guardian, the sustainable, compact, fast, and ergonomic answer to many of your protective packaging needs.